Assalamu alaikum Nazreen. My name is Farooq Parvez. I am here from Passive Income channel. So today I am going to show you the withdrawal of a very interesting website where the minimum withdrawal is 1 rupee. They don't offer any type of registration bonus, but to earn here is very simple as compared to the other surfing sites. They show the pop-ups at the bottom of the screen or sometimes top of the screen, and with a message you have credited 0.01, 0.015, 0.03 rupee. So nothing to do. Sometimes we have to watch the few videos of hardly 15 seconds each video. Registration is very simple. So this is not a financial advice and not an investment advice. We bring the videos of the rubble paying sites. You can find the links in the description below. There are more 5 websites from here which are getting the withdrawal regularly. So you can go down and check the links. So look at here, registration is very simple. Register now. Create a username. You can choose whatever you like, alphabets and characters, and then second one is enter your email here, then password, and again repeat password. I am not robot. Click on here, and I am not robot. Then click on register now. So you will get your account. So I have already registered. So I go to my account. This is the website. Look at here. If we go to the withdrawals, you will see here so now he is asking to come in. Okay, so I have to re-log in, traffic lights, to come in. ये एक इतनी अच्छी वेबसाइट है और इस वेबसाइट के अंदर हमें सिर्फ ये पॉपअप्स दिखाते हैं, उसके ऊपर हमें इश्तिहार देखना होता है। बाकी वेबसाइट्स की तरह नहीं कि हम वहाँ पर 48 सेकंड, 45 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड जब तक उस विंडो पे रहेंगे उस वक्त तक हमें देखना पड़ेगा। इसमें कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता, ये खुद लेफ़्ट कॉर्नर के ऊपर पॉपअप्स दिखाते हैं और उसमें मैसेज होता है कि आपके इतने रब जो है हमने क्रेडिट कर दिए। हमने कल की वीडियो डाली उर्दू लैंग्वेज के अंदर, उस उर्दू हिंदी में, उसके अंदर 4.7 रब हम विड्रॉ कर चुके हैं। और ये जनरेशन आपके सामने ही है कि बड़ी सिंपल है। इसके अंदर ईमेल देना, पासवर्ड देना है, रजिस्ट्रेशन पे जाकर अकाउंट बन जाएगा। वो हमने आपको दिखा दिया, ठीक है। अगर आपके पास रेफरल्स हैं तो आप रेफरल से भी अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। सो समटाइम्स यू विल फाइंड दिस number here, task 2 task. Okay, so after clicking this you will find 2-3 videos, and then the duration of those videos are also 15 seconds. So how to work? The main point is this: you click on earning. How to start earning? Okay, so we have to install extension. So to install on Chrome, click over here. So we have already installed. So first we have removed this extension from our Chrome. TeaserFast is the name of the site. The link has been given in the description below. Okay, we remove from Chrome. Okay, the extension has been removed. So after getting registered and coming onto the site, after getting login, we should click on earning, install this extension. Very simple. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, click over here. TeaserFast has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. So now remove from Chrome. So now it has been installed, and instead of adding remove from Chrome. You can see that these are the settings. Teaser Fast has been installed, so we pin over here. Now you see the icon over there. This is the icon of this website. So we go to the main site, and first of all click over here on task. You can read all. For those who want to advertise here, they can also use its feature. New to Teaser Fast, are you launching an advertisement campaign in 3 steps? Add an advertising company, top up your advertising account balance, transfer funds for advertising. For earnings in the Teaser Fast system, earn money by watching teasers without unnecessary actions. So there are not timers or something like that, except when you during watching this video there is a timer, there is a captcha too, or sometimes a captcha comes just to check whether the teaser fast is ready or not. Make money by viewing sites, get remunerations from the work of referrals. So very simple. So you will see here, I refresh it, here is 2.33 rough. So first of all I am going to click to see what is there to see. अब हम पहले ये देख लेते हैं, यहाँ पे वीडियो भी देखने के लिए मिलती है, लेकिन अक्सर जो पॉपअप्स आ रहे होते हैं वही हमें काफ़ी अर्निंग दे जाते हैं. Yesterday we got a withdrawal of 4.7. Now after 24 or 36 hours we have here 2.33 drops of withdraw. Now two tasks are here. So we click on this task. This is a video. Look at here, this is a timer. Watching video, it's time left 15 seconds. So click on play button. The timer will be started here. 13 seconds, 12
То есть
seconds.
вот я с утречка сегодня зарегистрировался на этом сайте, а у меня здесь уже на балансе к вечеру лежит 8000 рублей. И давайте их, естественно, будем выводить. В общем, отлично, все, деньги пришли на первый счет. Всем привет, нет времени объяснять, давайте сразу к делу. Мы прямо сейчас находимся на свежайшем проекте под названием StarHit, который запустился всего лишь несколько часов назад. Это новый сайт для заработка. Зарабатывать тут позволяет со вложениями абсолютно без них. Он реально запустился несколько часов назад. Здесь всего лишь 70 человек.
Watch the next video. These are only 2 videos. Sorry, there are currently no quest available. Please check back later. Now, time to time, look at here. A pop-up has occurred. You have earned rough 0.01. So 2.36 is here. Refresh it. 2.37. And after this, all I have earned in one day, 2.36, without doing nothing except watching few videos here, not more than 10 in 24 hours. But all the earning is by seeing the pop-ups. यानी इसमें कुछ और नहीं किया, ये चंद वीडियोस देखी हैं जो कि 15 सेकंड की हमने आपको दिखाई हैं. उसके अलावा यहाँ पॉपअप्स आते हैं, उस पर मैसेज लिखा होता है कि आपके इतने हमने क्रेडिट कर दिए और ये आपके सामने. सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस, एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस, प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई वीडियो. फॉर दोज हु वांट टू अर्न without investment, Russian currency rubble, who want to earn rubles without investment, this is the one of the best site. So we have almost 5 websites from where we are getting withdrawal, and the links have been given in the description below, and our channel. So this is our channel, you can go over there. This is the passive income channel, and these are the live. We show our friends the trading videos also, beginners, price updates of the Bitcoin, XRP, Doge, and the videos of the paying sites video. These are our uploads. You can watch this. Yesterday we have uploaded the video from this site. This site is also paying. These both sites are also paying. This has stopped paying without deposit. So if you will deposit there, then Cotomedi will pay. This is again a video we have uploaded over here. You can check it out. Flower Media is not paying, is asking to deposit 50 Rand. So this is the video we have. So for this information, better you like and subscribe our channel, press the bell icon to get notified which site is paying or not. If the site is not paying, we also make the video and upload that. So this is the video, for example, for those who are new on this, I'm just going to show where are the links. So this is the video, or in this site we are working. After getting withdraw, we will show you the site will get the withdraw $10, then we will show you. So these are the links: withdraw giving sites, teaser parts, flower media, and these are the sites. So, okay, yesterday we have uploaded this site, but this site is not paying, and Koto Money we have removed from the links. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have understood, and will like, subscribe and share this channel. Meanwhile, we show over here, we check, maybe one pop-up comes again, one task. Okay, again this is a video, 15-second task. Click on this, click on play. In 15 seconds.
Реклама. Друзья, рекомендую вам подписаться на канал юного сталкера Сталдут. Сталдут снимает красивые и интересные ролики по сталкеру. Погрузись в атмосферу сталкера вместе с Сталдут. Переходи к нему на канал и подписывайся. И не забудь написать в комментариях, что пришел от меня. Спасибо.
Всем привет, дорогие зрители стрима. Сегодня я вместо стрима расскажу, как сделать загрузочную флешку.
Refresh. Look at here, 2.39. Sometimes this is 0.031, 0.015 also. So we have, this was by watching the video, but rest of you can imagine just seeing the pop-ups. They are crediting the rough. So we go to the withdraw from this site. Maybe they will show our withdrawal, top of withdraw, earnings, task, referrals. Okay, I open my Gmail and Payer wallet to show you the withdraw. I have to open this, but I forgot, sorry. So Payer wallet, the link also has been given in the description below. If you want, you can join this by clicking on the links. Sorry, the net is slow. So we will put the code. One four one four two. Yeah, okay. Now we have 44 routes. I can show you from here too. Yesterday I took the withdraw. From 2-3 sites. Teaser parts, look at here, 4.73 rough, and date 30th May, and today is 1st. So one day before we have taken. Today is 1st started, and this was 30th. So 2 days before we have taken 4.73 rough. So after 2 days you can have the same 4.3 or something like that. Now refresh it. The links which we have given in the description all are giving the withdrawals. Some of them are only one in which one site in which we have invested to earn more rubs. Okay, now this is 44.7. so there are many options, so we go to the payer. This is the web money, payer. So we put over here 2.35, and here our wallet address is this. So we click the minimum withdrawal is 1 rub. So click on withdraw. Let's see what it says. Withdrawal of funds in the amount rubles completed successfully. So we go to the payer wallet and check 44.76, refresh it. Now we have 47.11, from where we got 2.35 rub. Okay, click over here, payment of teaser fast. So very nice site, paying quick and instant paying. So thank you very much for watching.